Hey lads, TechScanning here. So OnePlus has just teased us with the OnePlus 11 concept phone that looks inspired by the Nothing phone, but the company has to offer more this year. It's official, OnePlus is finally set to join the foldable phone trend with its own foldable device which will debut later this year, most likely in the third quarter of 2023. Though the brand has confirmed the foldable phone, but they haven't given any information on its specifications. However, the well-reputed tipster digital chat station took to Weibo and shared some information. And according to him, the device, which will be named most probably OnePlus V Fold, will have a large display with a 2K resolution. So we can expect something similar to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4 or the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold 2. This means the OnePlus V Fold will not be the exact copy of the Oppo Find N2, which is another foldable from the OnePlus parent company. However, the aspect ratio that OnePlus chooses for its first foldable will have an impact on its overall form. Of course, OnePlus V Fold will take benefit from Oppo's folding technology, like an innovative hinge that will let the phone completely close, leaving no gaps behind, and almost invisible crease which Oppo is already showcased in the latest Oppo Find N2. Further, OnePlus V Fold is expected to feature Hasselblad-tuned camera system and a faster charging speed compared to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series. So far, it is unclear whether it will debut with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or the last year's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Anyway, it will be an interesting competition to see how the OnePlus V Fold will go against the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5, which is also likely to bring several changes over its predecessor, like less visible crease and 108 megapixel main camera sensor. Let me know what you are expecting from the OnePlus first foldable phone, and which form you will prefer, a squarish form like the Oppo Find N2 or a taller one like the Z Fold4. Share your thoughts below in the comment section. Please do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.